Okay, everybody, I'm back. Now, y'all know in my previous videos, I have segments of my garden. Okay, here is fresh okra from the garden that I am ready to cook Indian style. Purple herb peas. Not too many people know about purple herb peas, but it's an old country type of bean, and I love it. It comes out of the garden, and y'all, I done shelled them all with my son's help, and now I'm ready to cook some purple herb peas vegetarian style. I have everything already cut up and ready. So I have my onion, my garlic, jalapeno peppers only for the okra because it's spicy, and bell pepper. Got a little curry leaves for the okra. All right, these are all the ingredients I'm going to need for, besides seasoning, for my 2 dishes that I'm going to prepare on this Monday afternoon. I'll be back. Okay, so now I have my bell pepper, my jalapeno pepper, my onion, my curry leaves, and my garlic and mustard seed for the okra. And I got it sauteing. And over here for my purple peas, I have my onion, bell pepper, and garlic. And so right now, it is just all sauteing. And so I'm going to let it continue to saute. In the meantime, I'm going to put me some hot water on in my tea kettle to boil for my beans. Okay, here goes the okra. And so actually, this is a type of dish that you fry. It's kind of it's going to be just sauteed down like fried and until it's tender. Okay, so I'm just going to let that fry just a little bit. And now I'm going to put my beans in the bean pot. Okay, and I'm going to mix that up just a little bit. And kind of let all of my sauteing vegetables kind of mix up with my beans. Oh, y'all, look how good it's even looking all this. My goodness. The only thing I'm missing is some good cornbread, y'all. Yeah, some good tasty cornbread to go with these beans. I got my water boiling, my hot water, to put in my beans. And now I'm going to work on this okra right here. We don't want it to burn. So I'm just going to saute it a little bit, turn the fire down to about 4. Then I'm going to cover it a little bit because you want, with this pot, I love my Magnalite pots, y'all. And so with this Magnalite pot, it'll build steam a little bit so that your pot doesn't burn. I did put some coconut oil in here to saute everything. I put olive oil in my beans. So now I'm going to just let it moist a little bit so the bottom doesn't burn. Wow, because I really just want it to just kind of fry a little bit, not with a lot of oil, the healthy way of cooking. And so, gotta get my beans. I don't want them to burn now. There is nothing like cooking and eating fresh vegetables that you actually grow in your own backyard. No pesticides, no preservatives, no nothing. Pick them and prepare them and cook them. That is the best tasting food. Okay, so now I'm ready to put the water in my beans. And it's always good to boil your water first. That way, the pot is already hot. And so what you want to do is add hot water to your pot that's already hot, because you do not want to add cold water or tap water, because then what that happens is it slows your cooking process down. And you don't want that. So now I'm just going to let that cook. I'm going to cover it. And in the meantime, I'm going to check on my okra. See, it is frying nice. See, everything is just cooking very good. The pot is not burning. The okra not burning. Everything is cooking and tenderizing together. And so that is what you want. It's beginning to turn a little brown. And so now I'm going to cover it again. And with the okra, it doesn't end up slimy at all. When you are cooking it like this, it's not slimy. It is just like you battered the okra and dropped it in a big pot, pot of hot oil. But it's cooking it more the healthier way. And so, but yet it's still fried. No batter, just a little coconut oil. And you don't add water. You just cover your pot, and it produces its own moisture. Just enough. Okay, you all. Well, the okra is ready. Yes. And so as you can see, let's see, there we go. As you can see, it is not slimy. It is kind of fried. It's not too dry, you know. And so it looks good. And it's very spicy, but it tastes good. Has a good flavor to it. So now I'm just going to turn the fire off. See, there's no sliminess to the okra. And over here, my beans is just cooking away. So it's probably going to be another 45 minutes before my beans is ready. Yes, what a great dinner. Great healthy dinner. So me being a vegetarian, I cooked some spinach, sauteed spinach yesterday. And so I'm going to have sauteed spinach with my purple peas. And that is my dinner. Yes.